What you talking about? It's Jaden Blaze.
Big up all who check in. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Now the people must say, everywhere, them see Vybz Kartel, them see Isaac Buchanan. Vybz Kartel also respond to the whole heap of talk about who have message and advice for him. I guess that's why I'm walk around with him liar. Because for the whole people who have message and advice for him, he no need to ask them for no advice because I'm walk around with legal counsel. I'm going to say what I go on there will continue the reasoning. Look and listen.
No more say something to Kartel liar. Isaac, there are no more case. You're not, nobody's no one free. For the man come out and just out no bum buckler. Hey, I grudge in your foot, but a happy phone in your blood clot. Big up on yourself. Isaac, go on to the right. Addy, I don't know your daddy. Code.
Dr. Paul, big up yourself, my general. Enough love from me and Isaac. No? Oh?
Now Vybz Kartel react to the advice where him say him notice. Everybody start to have feel. People where him and them never good in the past. All of a sudden them have the best ideas on what him to do with him life. Questions like what the brother there asks about Isaac Buchanan. Me couldn't hear all of them have to say, but before that, we're going to talk about where Lisa Anna Exp0se. Lisa Anna say the NCB buys USD cash at $136.30 and sells USD cash at $157.80. All the government allow that for happen, but none of them alone. The JMMB buys USD cash at $147 and sells it at $158.50. Scotiabank buys USD cash at $137.33 and sells it at $158.90. CIBC buys USD at approximately $139 and turn and sell that at $159. She said, as of August 16, 2024, the BOJ counter rate for the USD is $155 and some cents. She said, furthermore, the country's exchange rate has been relatively stable. She said, what is the spread of commercial banks charge the people when buying and selling foreign exchange is unfair. The amount of money where they charge the Jamaican people when they either buy the currency from them or sell them it back. Meaning say, as simple as I see it, some people wonder how that affect them. You ever have somebody overseas, they pay them on Jamaican island, and then tell us they must send a certain amount of money. Now, if they must send it through the West are going to tell them the exact amount of money where will be given to you when you go to the store. But if they ever tell it in US dollars and you check it, pay your phone, on the internet or something, and it tell you a certain amount. But when you go to Western Union, you see something else. That's what Lisa and I talk about. The fact that these entities, not just the bank them alone, Union and certain places, get to tell you how much money them a give for the US. And a based upon where the state say you forget. Or where the banking regulations, well, I guess within the banking regulations, this is okay. Lisa not go further than that. She said she wants to recall a family friend with a cuss over the fact that the bank needed to send $10,000 US to pay for some overseas supply of some raw materials. Them said the bank deposited or debited 100 and or 1.5 from his account to the FX and sent the money off. However, the bank made an error and them do the wrong thing. For cover for what go on, she said the bank repurchased the US at a certain amount, must say 1.3. Send it off back for him but charge him the 1.7 odd. And she said the bank end up earn 340. See, a wire transfer away, and them make the mistake, man. So she said these are the type of things will happen within the banking system. And she said, where the government do about that? How the government allow this to take place? People are wonder for years. But she point out with the currency, the fact that it's stable, and how much the National Bank and the National Bank of Jamaica say the US for yourself. It's like it's different everywhere you go. You don't come like how you go on fast food restaurants and them tell you say, oh, this is where them willing to exchange the US for. And that basically you go on. We are the regulators. Talk to me in the comment section. And to the other stories that make headlines today. Now Vybz Kartel say, him say, one bag of people have message and advice for him. Him say, hold on. How if you have message and advice for a millionaire when you're not hungry and I wanna struggle? Him say maybe I don't need the message and the advice. I only need for probably send it to myself. Hashtag God is the greatest. Don't talk to me in the comment section. Because from what we hear, you see, than the previous week, every other day, people from all walks of life are ask Vybz Kartel, or I tell Vybz Kartel, or I advise Vybz Kartel, or I try to get some kind of message, or them get message fit or about Vybz Kartel. And I guess I wonder say, with all of what go on, with the fact that him believes say some of them people here where have message and advice for him for how him for live him life or what him for do with him life are people where not see him for have it all together like how him have it all together. Him say where money is concerned, him is a millionaire. Him say where other things are concerned, people more look like them would have need the advice. Him say the people we advise him, it don't seem like them in a situation for advise him on film situation. As we say, him travel around with legal advice. Isaac Buchanan there with him. We are gonna ask, how come Isaac Buchanan there everywhere with him? I guess that's why I don't need advice from people. Because him travel around with him advice team. With people for advise him. Him have him wife there. Him have him friends and family them number in him phone where him can call. So I guess that answer the question when some people ask. But tell me what you feel like how Vybz Kartel handle the whole matter. One thing for sure though, Vybz Kartel has never been an entertainer or shy away from the media. No matter what the media or the fans them want to say or ask, is a person who go live and if him notice the message while in the live, he might go address it. He might go talk to it, he not go shy away from the answer. There's a person so articulate that when you know, me never say a question asked to Vybz Kartel that look like it catch him off guard. You know what I mean? And even when it look like say maybe the question that was asked, he will probably expect it earlier and maybe true it never asked at that time relating to that matter. They can like somebody will ask about something with a particular scenario and them ask you one thing about it, then them change question and then them ask you about something else about that same scenario but another aspect of it. So in a situations like that, we still see him rhyme and manage for, you know what I mean? Still make it look cool and entertaining. One thing with Vybz Kartel, even him answer them for questions that people are asked. It sounds entertaining. Yeah, man, it's an entertainer way. No matter what, from the camera on, the fire phone on, it a record. Yo, entertainment is always something way. It never short staff. It never short staff yet. Vybz Kartel is always an entertaining artist, whether on stage or off stage. You know there's something go. But talk to me in the comment section, tell me what you think. But all the people in whether give advice to Vybz Kartel. All the people must let them get message for him. All the people may tell him what to do, what him not to do. And what him say to them. And me that say, him remain humble. You know? to what we expect from a dancehall superstar. Him say, them need to give advice to themselves. Because him believes say, them more need the advice. Talk to me in the comment section. If you're new to the channel, pass through, subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. And tell a friend, tell them sister, and then brother them for check out the channel, check out the reason, and also join the discussion. The comment section 24/7 never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there, and we can continue reasoning via the comment section.